Welcome back to Brownswood Nursery. I'm Ryan Watkins, lead landscape designer, and I'm going to show you 3 plants that can really increase some color and add fun to your landscape. So the first one I want to talk to you about is on my left. It's the coral bark Japanese maple. This is one of my favorite Japanese maples. It has a beautiful coral stem that brightens as the winter cold air comes in, and it has in the spring a chartreuse green leaf. And then in the fall, as you can see here, it has a beautiful fire orange tinge that begins to turn and change the leaves. It's really beautiful, really fun, and it's a boutique tree. It only gets about 12 to 15 foot high. It's very prunable. It can even be planted in a smaller space. So great tree. It is deciduous, so it will lose its leaves in the winter, but as I said, it's got a beautiful coral stem and adds a lot of great color for the winter. The second tree I want to talk about is this beautiful Natchez Crape Myrtle. The Natchez Crape Myrtle is one of the only crepe myrtles that has a beautiful dark cinnamon bark. Some people love the watermelon pink, which is Tuscarora. Some people love the Muskogee, which is a pale lavender. But I love the Natchez because even when it's not in flower and even when it's lost all of its leaves, it still has this beautiful, rich, dark cinnamon bark, which really is attractive in the winter in your landscape. This comes in 2 forms. It has a multi-stem, so multiple trunks, and a single stem form. So both are very beautiful. This tree can get 25-ish feet high and wide. It is deciduous and it does want full sun. The coral bark Japanese maple would prefer part sun, but could take probably close to full sun, particularly with irrigation. The third plant I want to talk to you about is this beautiful bamboo. Now don't get scared. I know I said the bamboo word. This is non-invasive bamboo. It's called Alphonse Karr. Alphonse Karr is a beautiful variegated stem variety of bamboo. It's a clump form. Bambusa multiplex is the botanical name. It doesn't run. It doesn't run. It only spreads 1 to 2 inches per year and clumps on itself. So it's not going to take over your yard. It's not going to take over your neighbor's yard. It's just going to be a beautiful tropical plant. It does reach somewhere between 25 and 30 feet potentially, and it triples in height vertically in about 3 years with good water and sun. It would love full sun. I could probably do part sun as well. I've seen it in almost deep shade. It is a little thinner the more shade it gets. And after about 2 years, it's almost completely evergreen. So great plant for screening if you have a nosy neighbor, or just something that you want to just have a little bit of extra privacy. It's a great plant for that. So these are 3 plants to check out. Please visit us online at brownswoodnursery.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.